This is a North Punjabi restaurant, and it is amazing. If you ever have a chance, it's a bit confusing because you have Jain food, North Punjabi, Indian Muslim, Indian Hindu, which would be vegetarian. But this right here in KL is Restaurant Santa, which is perfect for the upcoming December. And they also have all the drinks that you would like over here as well. Your lassis, your tea, and so on and so forth. Cha ice, of course, just means iced teh tarik is what it looks like, even though it's not having the word tarik. Anytime you see something orange in Malaysia, there's a good chance that it's going to be condensed milk. And this is called the Chapati House. And you can see over here, it is absolutely delicious. Mujahideen, political superstars have come here. Oh, as you've got Anwar, you've got everyone here. This is amazing. So everyone already knows about this place here in Kuala Lumpur.